Hey everybody, let me show you around the engine bay of this Isuzu KB280 4x4 Alex that I purchased. Of course, it's a vehicle that I'll be selling, so let me show you one of the cleanest bakkies of its kind available for sale today. Let me show you the engine bay. As you can see, it's clean. All the original Isuzu stickers are here. New battery. You can see, just give you a general overview. A number, chassis number, engine number, paint details, etc. Just a very clean, very clean bakkie. You can see the firewall, all the original stickers. It's a real gem, this. A real gem. Phenomenal condition. And of course, look at the wood liner. Looks new. Very nice, very good condition. As you've seen in the ads, this is a 2001 KB280 double cab 4x4, and it's an Alex. It's got electric windows, 4x4, diff lock, air conditioning, electrically adjusted mirrors. It's a one owner from new vehicle, and I think I should do a review on this bakkie. Let me know what you think. Do you think I should do a review on this bakkie? Let me know. If enough of you say yes, I'll do it. Hey, and even if you're lazy in your response, I'll probably do it anyways. So anyway, that's the engine bay of my 2001 Isuzu KB280 4x4 double cab LX. Good stuff. Have yourself a great day. See you later.